Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my evening routine with a newborn. I initially had planned on doing this video as like really artistic and pretty and just show like scenes from my evening, put music and a voiceover and stuff like that, but I was like, you know what? I just don't have time for all of that. So I decided to do just kind of like a vlog style evening routine. So this is just my real life, taking you with me as we go through our evening here. So things are kind of crazy right now and I really don't feel like I have time or energy for much because he's not sleeping well at night. So that's part of the thing that I love about Home Chef, who is the sponsor for this video. And I've mentioned them in one of my vlogs before. So they're a meal delivery service and we have tried, have we tried all of them?
Pretty much.
Yeah, we've tried all of the other meal subscription services, and Home Chef is by far our favorite because number one, the recipes are easy. Number two, they're really good. And number three, the portion sizes are really big. Here's Wes and Charlie. I'm gonna be cooking one of their meals tonight. I just got my box in the mail. So yeah, like as a busy and exhausted new mom, that's what I really love about Home Chef is they just make it really easy so I don't have to think about this stuff and meal plan. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted not long ago about how I was trying to figure out like meal planning because I was just getting kind of overwhelmed by that. Thankfully now I don't have to worry about it. So if you guys would like to try this too, I will have a link in the description box, and they gave me an exclusive coupon code for you guys. It's Holly30 and that gives you $30 off of your first box. So it's really, really good deal. So anyway, let's get into my evening. So the first part of my evening is we get Charlie up from his afternoon nap. And he takes a pretty long afternoon nap. Why do you look bewildered? His afternoon nap is usually his longest one. He'll sleep for like 2 hours, 1 to 2 hours. And then once we get him up, I usually put him in his chair and then I start on dinner. Here's Chester, don't worry, we haven't forgotten about him. Just because we have a baby. Charlie loves to watch me cook. I think he is like afraid of the camera. Every time I put the camera on him, he makes his eyes really wide. Yeah. Let's make this one sheet pretzel crusted chicken with roasted broccoli and honey mustard. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
So sometimes Wes is home from work for this and sometimes he's still at work right now. But yeah, so what I've been doing is bringing Charlie in here and he sits in this little chair while I make dinner. And I usually put on some music while I cook and I'll just kind of like cook and then dance and stuff, and he laughs and it's really fun. It's like one of the most fun things of my day actually. He really likes watching us do things. Yeah! You like this song? Ooh! Don't believe me, just watch. Hey!
Hey Chester, do you want to go play? Well, let's go. Come on, let's go. Get your ball. Ooh, here we go. Saturn. This is Saturn because of the rings. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. All right, okay, let's try my trick. Well, that's hard to do. Do-do-do-do-do.
Where's Dad?
Hey, buddy. Hey.
He was just smiling at me like crazy.
Yeah.
And the camera comes out, he's like,
No.
yeah. Dinner's ready. This is our dinner situation. You'll play with your toys? Sorry to eat in front of you, it feels rude.
Okay. What was yours? Bless us, O Lord, and these thy gifts which we are about to receive from thy bounty through Christ our Lord. Amen. Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Oh, tender.
Now, our evening routine, the next step is clean up the kitchen. Okay, Wes is running the bath water. We give him a bath in the sink in this infant tub thingy. I'm still cleaning up a little bit. And we give Charlie a bath pretty much every night. And some people say that that dries their skin out, but he must have oily skin like us. Yeah. Last thing I like to do to clean up the kitchen is to run my sweeper. Here comes little Chunk.
How about that, Lester? So handsome.
He is so handsome. Whenever he's tired, he sticks his tongue out like that.
Yes, I have noticed that too. Or when he's kind of overwhelmed.
Overstimulated or something.
It's just like...
But he does like bath time. Oh, also, Charlie's in the 99th percentile.
If you haven't noticed.
And I'm exclusively breastfeeding him, so I don't know what's in my milk, but if any bodybuilders are looking to...
Baby gains.
Yeah. Ah! He just splashed me. Splish splash, he was taking a... Oh, that felt good.
What's this? Did you catch a wild animal here?
It's my junky monkey elephant.
Hey, buddy. You look shell-shocked.
He's getting hungry.
Very hungry.
And I wanted to say this on the video because I want to know if any of you who are moms, if your kids ever did this. He has like a sound that he makes when he's hungry. Like I don't know if he'll do it right now, but he just did a second ago. He'll say, la, doesn't he?
Yeah, we call it la la.
La la. I just think that's kind of funny.
It's short for lactose.
Lactation. I'm gonna take him upstairs and feed him and put his jammies on, read a book, and get ready for bed.
All right, time for an evening feed.
It was an emergency. There was no time to put pajamas on.
No time for jammies.
So, he just stopped nursing and went to sleep. Doesn't usually do that. Doesn't usually go to sleep that easily. He's just in a diaper. So I'm not real sure what to do. He must have just been really tired. It's 7:30. He usually doesn't go to sleep till like 8:30, but I'm not complaining. Okay, so I just went upstairs and put him to bed. It's kind of funny how easy that was on the day that I'm filming my evening routine because it's usually a struggle to get him to bed. I feel like I usually have to nurse him for a half an hour or more and then kind of like slip away. So anyway, I'm gonna take advantage of this time that he's sleeping and edit this video, I guess. If I wasn't doing this, I would probably do some other type of like work on the computer. Or if Wes and I weren't working for once, he's working right now too. We'd probably just like watch TV or something. But anyway, what did we used to do? I don't know. But this has been a little look at my evening routine with a baby. I think at the beginning of this video I said with a newborn, but I don't think he's technically a newborn anymore because he's almost 4 months. He's like 3.5 months. So anyway, thank you guys for watching and thank you to Home Chef for sponsoring this video. Remember guys, if you want to check that out, there's a link in the description box and use the code HOLLY30 and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.